The Cedar Rapids Gazette. July 29, 1952. Saucer swarm over Capitol. Radar picks up scores in early hours. Plane sent to area of Washington objects finds nothing. Washington AP radar showed that the air over the nation's capital was full of flying objects early Tuesday, but an airliner directed to one of the radar sightings could not find a thing. The Civil Aeronautics Administration radar at Washington National Airport, which reported scores of sightings from 1:30 to 5 a.m., refrained from transmitting its finds to the Air Force at nearby Andrews Field because no visual sightings were made. The Air Force said its Andrews Field radar showed nothing, and its 24-hour Jet Interceptor patrol remained on the ground because it was not notified of the National Airport sightings. Meanwhile, the Air Force announced it had brought some of its flying saucer experts from Wright-Patterson Field, Dayton, for a new conference. New camera used. It indicated they had nothing new to report but would answer questions. The Air Research and Development Command is continuing its upper air research studies with a new type camera used in determining source of light from luminous bodies. Designed to be of particular use in solving the saucer mystery, the camera breaks light into the spectrum to indicate the chemical composition of the light source. It is similar to photographic devices, which chemists use for similar purposes. A CAA spokesman said the latest sightings showed as many as 12 unidentified objects on the radar screen at one time. They appeared to be traveling 90 to 120 miles an hour in a 15-mile-long area between Andrews Field and Herndon, Virginia. They were moving from northwest to southeast, roughly at an angle of 60 degrees from the prevailing wind. Plane sent into area. About 3 a.m. an Eastern Airlines southbound flight was directed into the area, but its crew saw nothing. The altitude of the sightings was not determined because the radar screen at National does not give an altitude indication. The sightings Tuesday were the third within 2 weeks. The previous sightings, including some visual observations, were on the 2 previous Saturday nights. The Air Defense Command has had its jet planes on 24-hour alert for several years. The command service's duty is to intercept unidentified aircraft and, in event of outbreak of war, shoot down invaders.